3 commas. As in the number I'll have when we're done kicking the tar out of end frame.
Tar. Tar.
When we're done kicking the tar out of end frame, we are going to drink to rebillionizing.
Okay.
To rebillionizing.
To rebillionizing.
That's it.
Ionize. Ionize.
Sorry. That strategy just sounds so inside the box. Might it not be more innovative to shroud nuclear?
Shroud. Shroud.
To shroud nuclear. You'll get the credit and the glory. The name Davis Bannerchick will be inextricably linked with that of Nucleus.
Inextricably. Inextricably.
Will be inextricably linked with that of Nucleus.
Or should I say scrumptious? Because of the board, the scrum board.
Scrum. Scrum.
When we win.
That is rousing, Richard.
Rouse. Rouse.
That is rousing, Richard.
Well, we never actually breached his security. Remember, we got Mark's login info?
Info. Info.
Remember, we got Mark's login info? Well, the pieces of shit fired him. So his piece of shit status is reversed.
Okay, fine. So the transitive property may no longer apply.
Transitive. Transitive.
May no longer apply.
We didn't actually break his code. Okay? So he's getting fired for no reason. And I kind of feel bad for the guy.
Kinda. Kinda.
And I kind of feel bad for the guy.
Jin Yang, what are you doing? This is Palo Alto. You people are lunatics about smoking here.
Lunatic. Lunatic.
You people are lunatics about smoking here.
Fuck. What if, hypothetically,
Hypothetically. Hypothetically.
what if, hypothetically, I think it's good just to get everything out in the open.
Piece of shit! Guilfoyle kept taunting me and taunting me.
Taunt. Taunt.
Guilfoyle kept taunting me and taunting me. Richard just told me about the posting, so fuck you! Yeah, you just fucked with the wrong hacker.
Hacker. Hacker.
Yeah, you just fucked with the wrong hacker.
We hacked into Endframe's system and stole their specs. You can't go traipsing around to their former employees.
Traipse. Traipse.
You can't go traipsing around to their former employees.
And since the negative of a negative is a positive, stealing from a thief is okay. It's the additive inverse property. I mean,
Inverse. Inverse.
it's the additive inverse property. I mean,
Jin Yang may have let a little something slip to your boy Friday, but no worry, I covered with aplomb.
Aplomb. Aplomb.
But no worry, I covered with aplomb. So we would miss out on that whole market. That's problematic. Well, we'll tweak it when we present it to your boss.
Tweak. Tweak.
Well, we'll tweak it when we present it to your boss. Oh, really, Monica? Well, I'm sorry that your boss unearthed your filthy little secret, but
Unearth. Unearth.
boss unearthed your filthy little secret, but
Where are we?
We have a mobile beta on a Huli phone.
Beta. Beta.
We have a mobile beta on a Huli phone.
Not now!
okay, so no attempts to externally access the system.
Externally. Externally.
Okay, so no attempts to externally access the system. Okay, so no attempts to externally access the system, right? No sequelae, XSS, worms, Trojans, nothing?
Trojan, Trojan,
Worms, Trojans, nothing? We are going to be the most vulnerable we've ever been. And Seth is out there, lurking, just lurking in the darknet, ready to pounce.
Pounce. Pounce.
Ready to pounce. And Seth is out there, lurking, just lurking in the darknet, ready to pounce. Like an internet panther, and we don't care. Okay.
Panther, Panther,
Like an internet panther, and we don't care. Okay. Like an internet panther, and we don't care. Okay, well, frankly, your lack of paranoia is insane to me.
Paranoia, Paranoia,
Okay, well, frankly, your lack of paranoia is insane to me. But this just really restores my faith that face-to-face meetings
That
are the way
smug
to
cocksucker didn't think I had the skills to.
Smug, Smug,
are the way
Smug
to
cocksucker didn't think I had the skills to.
We realized that the same geotagging technology that can be used to locate uncrowded playgrounds
uncrowded, uncrowded,
be used to locate uncrowded playgrounds.
True. True. And
With our app, users can locate and thus avoid these self-indulgent,
indulgent, indulgent,
and thus avoid these self-indulgent, self-destructive, negligent monsters.
negligent.
Yeah.
negligent, negligent,
Negligent.
Yeah.
Again, no. Nothing.
Well, did you sweep for
Unauthorized kernel modules. Yes, I.
kernel, kernel,
Unauthorized kernel modules. Yes, I.
well, did you sweep for
Unauthorized kernel modules. Yes, I even purged the entire server hypervisor again.
purge, purge,
Yes, I even purged the entire server hypervisor again.
We severed the prod and dev networks. You made us put our phones in a fucking Faraday cage.
We even killed the Wi-Fi and reverted back to this.
Revert. Revert.
We even killed the Wi-Fi and reverted back to this.
You made us put our phones in a fucking Faraday cage.
We even killed the Wi-Fi and reverted back to this Stone Age hardline Ethernet switch.
Ethernet. Ethernet.
This Stone Age hardline Ethernet switch.
You're locking the door now? You don't answer my texts? What the fuck?
Russ, we're at a pretty critical juncture right now, so...
juncture, juncture,
Russ, we're at a pretty critical juncture right now, so...
McLaren 650S Spider.
Yep. Just like the one I had to sell.
yup, yup,
Yep. Just like the one I had to sell.
Sorry. Hello?
This is Ishwar Singh, the CTO of Intersite. What the?
inter, inter,
This is Ishwar Singh, the CTO of Intersite. What the?
When you locked me out of my own system.
Okay, Carla, shut it down.
None of the system shortcuts are responding.
shortcut, shortcut,
None of the system shortcuts are responding.
Hey, you guys just shut the fuck up. I'm trying
Why
to
the
sleep.
fuck would you smoke immediately after an anti-smoking pitch? Why?
anti, anti,
Immediately after an anti-smoking pitch. Why?
Had N-Frame, accidentally put a tequila bottle on their delete key.
tequila, tequila,
Put a tequila bottle on their delete key.
Thank you for your time.
I would be remiss if I didn't mention that,
remiss, remiss,
I would be remiss if I didn't mention that,